Let us discuss about intraepidermal blistering disorders. Okay, intraepidermal. So this is the topic of blistering disorders, right? In the last lecture we classified the blister disorders. In this lecture we will discuss about intraepidermal blistering disorders. Basically, in intraepidermal disorders, what happens is keratinocytes will get separated from each other. Okay, so that results in blistering formation. In intraepidermal disorders, the first disease that we are going to discuss about is pemphigus. So in pemphigus, what happens is, so I told you basically what happens here is there is separation of keratinocytes. Keratinocytes in the sense these are nothing but these are the cells of epidermis. Okay, that means this is, suppose these are the cells of epidermis. They are usually interconnected by proteins called desmosomes. Desmosomes or desmoglein. Okay, they are interconnected by protein called desmoglein. So when there is defect in this desmogleins, it results in separation of these keratinocytes, right? So their connection between them is lost. This results in formation of blisters. So this is the basic mechanism how pemphigus is how pemphigus results in blisters. Now we'll see the types of pemphigus. So before going to types, one thing that we have to remember here is pemphigus is autoimmune disorders. Is autoimmune disorder. It is autoimmune disorders. So as it is autoimmune disorders, it will be immunomediated, immunologically mediated. Okay, now going to types of pemphigus. So the types are mainly pemphigus vulgaris. First one is pemphigus vulgaris. Pemphigus vulgaris, pemphigus foliaceus, pemphigus foliaceus. Third one is pemphigus vegetans. Pemphigus vegetans. Pemphigus vegetans is a variant of pemphigus vulgaris. Okay, remember that pemphigus vegetans, it is a variant of pemphigus vulgaris. Variant of pemphigus vulgaris. Fourth type is pemphigus erythematosus. Pemphigus erythematosus. Pemphigus erythematosus is a variant of pemphigus foliaceus. Okay, it is a variant of pemphigus foliaceus. Okay, so basically we have two types. One is pemphigus vulgaris, pemphigus foliaceus. This pemphigus vegetans is a variant of pemphigus vulgaris. Remember, both the diseases start with V letter, so we can easily remember. Pemphigus erythematosus is a variant of pemphigus foliaceus. Okay, So basically these are main important types, and even other types are also are there, but they are rare, but we have to remember their names. One is joga selvagem. Fifth type is joga selvagem. Okay, this is mainly seen in people living in Brazil. It is seen in people living in Brazil, and it's a variant of pemphigus foliaceus. Okay, joga selvagem is a variant of pemphigus foliaceus. Okay, and the sixth type is drug induced drug induced drug induced pemphigus. The most important drugs that are in uh, involved in pemphigus are mainly penicillamine. Penicillamine. Okay, penicillamine. In penicillamine, the main culprit here is sulfhydryl group. Sorry, thiol group. Okay, penicillamine contains thiol group, which is mainly responsible for pemphigus disease. And the second most important mm, drug that results in pemphigus is captopril. Captopril. Other drugs like pyraxicum, rifampin, rifampicin, phenylbutazone. Okay, these are most important drugs. The most common drugs that results in pemphigus are mainly penicillamine and captopril. These are two important drugs, and these are also the other drugs also causes, but we have to remember at least these two drugs, penicillamine and captopril. Okay, the next type is paraneoplastic pemphigus. Paraneoplastic. Here pemphigus will be part of paraneoplastic syndrome. Okay, it is a part of paraneoplastic syndrome in paraneoplastic pemphigus. The most important tumor that are associated with pemphigus are non-Hodgkin lymphoma, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, Castleman disease, sarcoma, thymoma, spindle cell tumor, spindle cell tumor. And these are the most important tumors where we can see pemphigus as paraneoplastic syndrome. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about pemphigus vulgaris. Thank you for watching.